dukkhatasam paccuddharane vematiko apatti dukkhatasam paccuddharane paccuddarana sanye anapatti anapatti sovadeti tassava vissasanto paribunjati ummattakassa adhikammikassati vikap
Nābhaman
sikkapadang nittitang sadhu 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 Chivara apanidana sikkapadang Tena samayena buddho bhagava savatthiyang viharati jetavane anata pindikassayarame Tena kopana samayena sattarasa bhaggiya bhikkhu asannita parikkarahunte Cabbaggiya bhikkhu sattarasa vaggiyanang bhikkhunaଂ pattampi civarampi apanidente sattarasa vaggiya bhikkhu cabbaggiye bhikkhu etadavo Detavoso ammākaṁ pattampi civarampi ti cabbaggiya bhikkhu asantite rodante bhikkhu evamānso kissatum me avoso rodati Ime avoso cabbaggiya bhikkhu ammākaṁ pattampi civarampi apanidenti ti Ete bhikkhu appicca pete ujjayanti kiyanti vipacenti Katanye nama cabbaggiya bhikkhu bhikkhunaଂ pattampi civarampi apanidenssanti Te saccang kiratum me bhikkave bhikkhunaଂ pattampi civarampi apanidenti Saccang bhagavati vigarahi buddho bhagava katanye nama tumme
mukho purisa
bhikkhunaଂ pattampi civarampi apanidesata netang moga purisa appasannanaଂ va pasadaya evanca pana bhikkave imang sikkapadang uddiseyata Yopana bhikkhu bhikkhussa pattang iva civarang iva nisidanang iva Socigarang iva kaya vandanang iva apanideya va apanidapeya va antamaso asapekkopi pacitiyanti Yopanati yo yadisope bhikkhu tipe ayang imasmin atte adippeto bhikkhuti Bhikkhu sati ayassa bhikkhussa patto nama dve patta ayo patto mattika patto Civarang nama cannang civaranang ayyatarang civarang bhikkappanopagang paccimang Nisidanang nama sadasang bujjati Sucigarang nama susacikang va asucikang va
Kaya bandhanang nama dve kaya bandhanani patikka sucarantakarang Apanideyavati sayang apanideti apatti pacitti kaisa
อปนิดาปิยาวติอัญญตรังอนาเปสิอปัตติปัจิตติยัสสะอปนิยาวติวายังอนาเปติอปัตติปัจิตติยัสสะสากิงอนัตโตกัมปิอาปนิเดติอปัตติปัจิตติยัสสะอันตมาโส
โสหัสสะเปกขาปิติกิลาธิปา
กิลาดิป
โย
ปายโยอุปสัมปันเนอุปสัมปันนสัญญีปัตตังเอวะจีวรังเอวะนิสิดานังเอวะสุชิการังเอวะ
กาย
ย
บั
วัน น
ด
ด
นั
นัง
ง
เอ
เอ
วะ
วะ
อ
อ
ป
ป
นิ
นิ
เด
เด
ติ
ติ
วะ
วะ
อปนิดาเปติวะอันตมาโสหัสสะเปกขาปิอปัตติปัจิตติยัสสะอุปสัมปันเนเวมติโกเปอุปสัมปันเนอนุปสัมปันนสัญญีปัตตวาชีวรังวะนิสิเดนังวะสุชิการังวะกายวันดนังวะอปนิเดติวะอปนิดาเปติวะอันตมัสโสอาสาเปกโคปิอปัตติ
ปัจิตติยัสสะอายังปริก
ก
า
รังอปนิเดติวะอปนิดาเปติวะอันตมัสโสอาสาเปกโคปิอปัตติดุขตัสสะอนุปสัมปันนัสสะปัตตังวะจีวรังวะอา
อา
ยั
ยัง
ตารัง
ปริการัง
อปนิเดติวะอปนิเดเปติวะอันตมัสโสอาสาเปกโคปิอปัตติดุขตัสสะอนุปสัมปันเนอุปสัมปันนสัญญีอปัตติดุขตัสสะอนุปสัมปันเนเวมติโกอปัตติดุขตัสสะอนุปสัมปันเนอนุปสัมปันนสัญญีอปัตติดุขตัสสะอนัปปตินาสดิปายโยดุนนิกิตังปฏิสามิติธัมมิงกตังกัตถวะดัสสามิติปฏิสามิติอุมมัคคะกัสสะอธิกัมมิกัสสติชีวระอปนิดานาสิกขปดังนิตติตัง
ดัสมัง
สาธุสาธุสาธุ
ภาวตุสัพพมังคลังรักขันตุสัพพเทวตา
สัพพะพุทธานุภาเวนะสดาสุติภวัน
ตุติ
ภวตุสัพพะมังคลังรักขันตุสัพพะเทวตาสัพพะธัมมานุภาเวนะสดาสุติภวันตุติภวตุสัพพะมังคลังรักขันตุสัพพะเทวตาสัพพะสังฆานุภาเวนะสดาสุติภวันตุติสาธุสาธุสาธุ
Hello, thank you very much, Bangladesh Sangha. And hello, tea break.
Thank you so much, Venerable Mahasangha from Bangladesh, who lead the chanting today. So it's time now for tea break, and for kind, generous donor, you have this opportunity to offer anything, money or any other thing, beverage or biscuit, you can donate at this time. And សម្រាប់ក្រុមភេសជ្ជៈក៏ចាត់ចែងជាការទទួលភេសជ្ជៈប្រគេនភេសជ្ជៈក្នុងពេលសម្រាប់15នាទីនេះទៅតាមនៅក្រោមមលុបមណ្ឌលពោក្តីនៅតាមបណ្ដាលតង់ក្តីក៏ចាត់ចែងជាភេសជ្ជៈតាមសមគួរហើយពេលនេះក៏ អាចសម្រាកទៅបន្ទប់ទឹក so Venerable Sangha you can go to the restroom as you like and at this time the donation or offer trees can be donated ហើយក្រុមអធិការកិច្ចណាអន្តរាគមន៍បន្តក៏សម្រួលទៅតាមឱកាសនេះផងដែរ and we take this opportunity to explain what we have recited and I would like to invite
Now, Most Venerable Dr. Buddha Priya Mahatero, General Secretary, Bharatiya Sangharaj Bhikkhu Mahasabha, Founder Secretary, Siddharth Welfare Mission, Kolkata. Please, Venerable, explains our today Vinaya Pitaka. Thank you.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. First of all, I would like to gratitude and thanks to the organizing committee, International Tripitaka Chanting Council, and also we would like to gratitude and grateful to Dr. Wangmo Dikse, who the founder of the Light Buddha Dhamma Foundation International, and organizing this year the chief organizing Cambodian Buddhist Sangha Council. So those who attend this Tripitaka chanting from 2nd December to until now, on behalf of Bangladesh Bhikkhu Sangha and Bangladesh Buddhist Temple, Buddha Gaya, I would like to thank you and gratitude to our Tripitaka chanting. Today is the most important chapter, important our Tripitaka, Vinaya Pitaka is very important in our Buddhist life, and also especially our Bhikkhu, Samanera, Bhikkhu, Bhikkhuni, Samaneri, very important and Vinaya practice. Vinaya Sanamanati Sasana Sayu. Especially those who higher ordination, Bhikkhu Dhamma, they practice with deep respect the Patimokko. It's Patimokko 227. Sila is a morality, ethics. We should practice with deep respect. Every Sila like a Buddha. If we practice the Vinaya, we can understand our mind and body. That is why Vinaya Pitaka in our life is very important. So Vinaya Pitaka chanting from yesterday started. It's very important for our Bhikkhu life, and also those who attain this life, the Nibbana. Very, very important this Vinaya to practice. Buddha said, Vinayasa namanati sasanasa ayu. If we practice the Vinaya with deep respect and gratitude, then our Buddhism and Buddha longevity for the welfare of the benefit, for the happiness of the benefit, for the happiness of the benefit, for not only for Buddhism, for global peace and universal peace. Nowadays, we understand many countries conflicts by war and fighting religion to religion, country to country. So, this is the 21st century. Our Vinaya, Abhidhamma and Sutta Pitaka, that means the teachings of the Buddha, is very important for giving the solution, promotion of peace and harmony for the inner peace and world peace. So I would like to thank Venerable Bhikkhu Sangha, those who attend here, reciting the Binay Pitaka from Bangladesh and from Cambodia, Thailand, Myanmar, Laos, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Indonesia, Nepal, and many other countries, and also India. All India Bhikkhu Sangha, many province Bhikkhu Sangha attend here. So today I like to inform to all of you, we should respect the India, the land of the Buddha, the motherland. First day, many speakers spoke here. The land of the Buddha, the light of the Buddha, the liberation of the path from India to abroad. So 2568 years ago, in our Jambudvipa, great sun, many like a Sariputra, Mahamoggalayana, Ananda, Upali, many very distinguished, eminent bhikkhu, those who attain the arahantship with their spiritual power from the India. So that is why this land, very holy land, very sacred land, this India. So I am very much grateful to government of Bihar and especially BTM management committee and district magistrate and also government of India. Our most beloved and respected Prime Minister, Indian Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, every time when he went and attend the foreign country to explain about Buddhism and Buddha, and he proudly announced when every seminar, every conference from India to another country, our Prime Minister announced, Lord Buddha given the peace, harmony and tranquility. India never given the war and support the war. Always India, Buddhism and India people, government of India support the harmony and tranquility, especially Buddha given Arya Tangika Maggo, Noble Eightfold Path for liberation, salvation, promotion for peace and harmony. That is why this is the time to pray.